If you're planning on going to the airport for spring break, here are some tips and tricks on how to be successful and get to the airport on time. Don't aim to arrive when boarding starts. Be at the airport 2 hours early if you're flying domestic or 3 hours for international. Add extra time for traffic, parking, or public transit delays. Check traffic before you leave. Use apps like Google Maps or Waze. Look at real-time traffic, not just the distance. If traffic looks unpredictable, leave 15 to 30 minutes earlier. Also, pack smart the night before. Double check ID, passports, wallets, and phone, and make sure that you have a charger. Keep everything in one easy-to-go grab bag. Use your airline apps and download your boarding pass to your phone. This saves so much time and avoids kiosk lines.
Don't forget to set multiple alarms. Decide transportation in advance. If getting a ride, confirm the time the night before. If using Uber or Lyft, request it earlier than needed. If parking, know exactly where you're going. Know your airport layout. Large airports can take 20 to 30 minutes just to reach your gate. Check your gate in advance, it can change. These tips and tricks will make you successful at the airport. Have a great flight.